Hello there, subscribers. This is Miss Jones with Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. You can find me on Facebook under the same title name or here. And what have I done to Miss Rita Hayworth Part 2? See my sugar skull wreath and how I applied all these cute little sequins and crystals around the sugar skull to create that fantasy look. I am going to do the same thing to Miss Rita Hayworth's book. Find the video where I created this cute wreath, and I did make a gentleman sugar skull wreath. Anyhow, I decided that this beautiful black and white book fold will stay like this, but I will add sequins around the dancing girls' dresses. Or should I say, two-piece outfits. And just highlight it. And I'll bring the black and white life to color. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use Craft 3-in-1 glue to apply to the area that I will add the rhinestones to. And I'll use various rhinestones. I have a collection of 3 containers. I save all the cookie tins from Dollar Tree, and I use them for storage. And I will do various colors. I will add to their hair, their bodice, and their bottoms. I am not sure if I'm going to do the back. Maybe add some earrings. I'm not sure. But this is what I'm going to do. I thought Miss Legacy would help build this teacher's gift. But I won't let her use Craft 3-in-1 glue. It's not for children. So stay tuned. Thank you for stopping in. Subscribe if you like my ideas. And stick around because this summer I'm creating a lot of ideas for outdoors in the backyard. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, 2019. And happiness is homemade. Let's continue with the slideshow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I laid down my pattern first. And then I see how it's going to look. And I'm going with purple and gold with this First Lady. Now I remove everything and then I apply the Craft 3-in-1. Let's continue with this. And here is the final project starring Miss Rita Hayworth. Now, I said I wanted to make a fairy house when I first did the video, part 1, when I show everyone how to book fold. And now I decided it's a dance hall. And the girls, once you walk inside, the girls are dancing in their fabulous costumes. Art is freedom. Hashtag art is freedom. You can change your mind anytime you want when creating art. Isn't it cute? I will link part 1 with this video in case you did not see part 1, and where I purchased my books and how much they are. Now, I did spray coat after I allowed the stones to set for an hour. I had to decorate one side of the book first and allow all the stones to dry, and then I decorated the other side. And then once everything was set, I used Krylon matte finish, and you can use Mod Podge if you want, but I find after about a year and a half with Mod Podge, it turns a little yellow, and this eliminates yellowing, and it also is a good moisture resistant protection. I do not know where people would place their book art, but let's say it goes into a bathroom or some high humidity area. Well, this Krylon matte finish is a good investment. I spray coated it once, waited an hour, and then did it again. Now I will do one more coat tomorrow, and I will use a ribbon to close this gift, and then Miss Legacy can give it to her teacher on the last day of school. I did not cover up the book fold like I did in the last video, and I demonstrated how I did my book fold and fairy house for my family portraits. I decided to leave it like this, and it's a piece of work. What can you expect? It's beautiful art. A lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Stick around and subscribe. And when you have some afternoon, grab yourself a cup of coffee. Watch my previous videos. I have over 400 videos on DIY projects. From paint pouring, to more book art, to learning how to make a doll out of a mop head, and how to make ring holders out of stiletto shoes. Very easy peasy, simple to make, and I even tell you where I buy my stilettos. They are brand new. You can get 2 of them for $10.99, and then create your own cute little ring holder. Thank you for stopping by. Happy April 24th, 2019. I will see you again real soon. Bless.